Artos Hub presents the 2026 Chevrolet Nova Supersport, a modern take on one of Chevrolet's most legendary muscle cars. The Nova Supersport combines classic American design cues with contemporary performance engineering, delivering a perfect blend of style, power, and drivability. From the moment you approach the car, its aggressive stance and muscular lines capture attention. The bold front grille, sleek headlights, and sculpted hood give the Nova Supersport a commanding presence on the road, signaling the performance that lies beneath. Under the hood, the 2026 Nova Supersport offers a range of engine options, including a supercharged V8 and a high-torque, naturally aspirated V8, allowing drivers to choose between raw power and balanced performance. Each engine is paired with a performance-tuned transmission, providing seamless shifts and exhilarating acceleration. The car's suspension system has been re-engineered to offer precision handling while maintaining a smooth ride, ensuring that the Nova Supersport feels planted on straightaways and confident through corners. Step inside the cabin and you'll find a driver-focused cockpit designed for comfort and control. Premium materials, ergonomic seating, and intuitive controls create an environment that enhances the driving experience. Advanced infotainment systems, digital displays, and customizable performance readouts keep the driver informed and connected while maintaining focus on the road. Safety features, including adaptive traction control and performance brakes, are subtly integrated, allowing drivers to push the car to its limits without compromising security. The exterior design also emphasizes aerodynamic efficiency. The rear spoiler, sculpted side skirts, and underbody enhancements reduce drag and increase downforce, improving high-speed stability. Each detail, from the alloy wheels to the performance tires, has been carefully selected to complement the Nova Supersport's aggressive yet elegant aesthetic. Whether cruising on highways, carving through mountain roads, or enjoying a weekend track session, the 2026 Chevrolet Nova Supersport combines iconic design with modern engineering. The 2026 Nova Supersport is not just a car, it's a statement. It reflects Chevrolet's dedication to blending heritage with innovation, giving enthusiasts a modern muscle car that honors its roots while embracing the demands of today's performance standards. With attention to detail in design, performance, and technology, the Nova Supersport continues to define what it means to drive a true American muscle car in 2026. The driving experience of the 2026 Chevrolet Nova Supersport is where its performance truly shines. The car's suspension has been meticulously tuned to balance comfort with agility. On smooth roads, it absorbs bumps and irregularities without sacrificing control, making long drives comfortable. Yet, when you push it through corners, the suspension tightens, offering impressive feedback and stability. The steering is precise, providing a direct connection to the road and allowing drivers to feel every nuance of the surface beneath them. This combination of comfort and sharp handling makes the Nova Supersport equally at home on a spirited canyon run or a relaxed highway cruise. Under the hood, the supercharged V8 option delivers thrilling power, producing explosive acceleration that pushes the car forward with authority. The naturally aspirated V8, while slightly less aggressive, offers a smooth and responsive throttle that rewards skilled drivers with precise control. Both engines are mated to a performance-tuned automatic or manual transmission, allowing drivers to select their preferred driving style. Quick, crisp shifts enhance the excitement of the drive, while advanced traction and stability systems ensure that the power is delivered safely, even in challenging conditions. Inside, the cabin is designed for an immersive driving experience. The driver-oriented layout puts all essential controls within easy reach, while high-quality materials add a sense of refinement. Seats are supportive and adjustable, ensuring comfort on both short drives and long journeys. The digital instrument cluster provides real-time feedback on performance metrics, including speed, engine output, and torque distribution, helping drivers fully understand and control the car's capabilities. Infotainment features, including a responsive touchscreen, navigation, and connectivity options, are seamlessly integrated without detracting from the focus on driving. The Nova Supersport also emphasizes safety without compromising performance. Advanced braking systems with ventilated discs and multi-piston calipers provide reliable stopping power, even during high-speed maneuvers. Adaptive traction and stability controls monitor wheel slip and body motion, making it easier to maintain control during spirited driving. Additional features like lane departure warning and blind spot monitoring enhance confidence during daily driving, creating a car that is both exciting and practical. Attention to detail extends to the car's exterior aerodynamics and visual appeal. The rear spoiler, aggressive front fascia, and sculpted body panels reduce drag and increase high-speed stability, while striking LED headlights and taillights ensure visibility and modern styling. The alloy wheels are designed to complement both aesthetics and performance, offering lightweight strength and enhancing cornering grip. The 2026 Chevrolet Nova Supersport isn't just about raw power and driving excitement. It also offers a thoughtful blend of modern technology and practical features that enhance every journey. Infotainment is centered around a high-resolution touchscreen, which integrates smartphone connectivity through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing drivers to access music, navigation, and apps seamlessly. Voice command functionality ensures that hands can remain on the wheel, while intuitive menus make accessing settings straightforward. The sound system, tuned specifically for the cabin, provides crystal-clear audio that makes every drive enjoyable. Whether you're listening to classic rock or a modern playlist, connectivity extends beyond entertainment. The Nova Supersport features built-in Wi-Fi, allowing passengers to remain connected while on the go. Navigation is enhanced with real-time traffic updates and route suggestions, helping drivers avoid delays and plan trips efficiently. Digital gauges display a wealth of information including fuel efficiency, tire pressure, and even performance metrics, such as G-force during cornering and lap times on track days. This integration of technology ensures that the car is as smart as it is fast. Comfort and usability have not been overlooked. Seating is upholstered in premium materials with ample bolstering to keep occupants secure during spirited driving. Climate control is precise, with dual-zone settings to accommodate driver and passenger preferences. Storage compartments are intelligently placed, allowing for daily practicality without compromising the sporty interior design. Visibility has been optimized with a combination of large windows and strategically placed mirrors, while optional parking sensors and cameras assist in tight urban spaces. Ownership of the Nova Supersport also comes with peace of mind. Chevrolet offers a comprehensive warranty package, covering powertrain and basic components, along with roadside assistance for added security. Regular maintenance intervals are designed to minimize downtime, ensuring that the car remains in peak condition over years of driving. The availability of performance upgrades and aftermarket parts allows enthusiasts to further customize their Nova Supersport, tailoring it to personal tastes and driving preferences. Finally, the Nova Supersport excels in blending heritage and modernity. Its aggressive styling, featuring sculpted lines, a bold grille, and aerodynamic enhancements, pays homage to the classic Nova muscle cars of the past. Meanwhile, advanced engineering, precision electronics, and modern comfort features ensure that it competes with today's best performance vehicles. Every aspect, from engine sound to cabin ergonomics, has been refined to create a driving experience that is both thrilling and satisfying on a daily basis.